Premium leather begins on ranches where cattle are raised for meat production, their hides becoming valuable byproducts generating additional revenue for farmers throughout the United States today. Each cow produces one hide weighing 60 to 80 pounds, the skin's quality depending on animal health, breed, age, and care during the raising process. Hides arrive as byproducts from USDA-inspected meat processing plants, where cattle are processed for food, creating sustainable use of entire animal completely. Skilled workers remove hides immediately after slaughter, careful cutting preserving hide integrity, avoiding damage that reduces leather quality, each hide handled as valuable commodity worth significantly.
The grain tax.
Hide grading identifies premium skins for furniture upholstery, medium grades for automotive use, lower grades for belts and shoes. This process determines processing methods and the final market value. Salt curing removes moisture, prevents decomposition during transport, preserves hide quality for weeks, traditional preservation method used globally in leather industry for centuries. Trucks transport salted hides from meat processing plants to specialized tanneries, some hides traveling hundreds of miles to facilities equipped for transforming raw skins into leather. Modern tanneries process thousands of hides weekly, combining traditional craftsmanship with advanced technology, transforming raw animal skins into durable, beautiful leather products for manufacturing. Upon arrival, hides are weighed, inspected for damage, sorted by size and quality, entered into inventory tracking systems for complete traceability. Hides await processing in temperature-controlled storage, first in, first out rotation ensuring freshness, tannery scheduling production batches based on customer orders, hide types, and finishing requirements needed. Soaking rehydrates salt-preserved hides in large rotating drums for 12 to 24 hours, restoring moisture content, removing salt, preparing skins for subsequent processing steps. Drum rotation creates mechanical action washing away salt, blood, dirt, manure, other contaminants. Water changed multiple times, achieving thorough cleaning of hide surfaces.
The texture is good, very pliable. Yes, salt's fully removed, ready for fleshing.
Fleshing machines use rotating spiral blades removing remaining fat and tissue from hide's flesh side, creating clean surface necessary for proper chemical penetration during tanning. Properly fleshed hides show uniform thickness, clean surface free from tissue, fat, preparing leather for chemical treatments that transform skin into durable finished product. Hair removal solutions contain lime and sodium sulfide chemicals dissolving hair roots, loosening hair from hide surface. Workers following strict safety protocols when handling these caustic materials. Hides rotate in liming solution for 18 to 24 hours. Alkaline chemicals breaking down hair structure, swelling hide fibers, preparing leather for subsequent splitting and tanning. Liming swells hide thickness, opens fiber structure, loosens hair completely, creating partially processed hide ready for mechanical hair removal and further chemical treatment. Dehairing machines mechanically scrape loosened hair from both sides of hide, collecting hair waste for disposal or rendering, leaving smooth surface ready for splitting operation. Splitting machines cut thick cattle hides horizontally, separating premium top grain layer for high-quality leather from lower split layer used for suede or bonded leather. Top grain leather retains original hide surface with natural grain pattern. Strongest, most durable layer commanding premium prices for luxury applications requiring superior quality. Split leather becomes suede when buffed smooth, used for gloves, shoes, jackets, or processed into bonded leather, ensuring complete utilization of hide with minimal waste. Chrome tanning uses chromium salts transforming raw hide into stable leather resistant to heat, water, bacteria, process taking 24 hours producing blue-tinted wet leather. Chrome chemicals bind to hide proteins, stabilizing collagen structure, preventing decomposition, creating leather that remains flexible yet durable for decades of use and wear. Wet blue leather emerges from chrome tanning drums. Distinctive blue color from chromium chemicals, hides now permanently preserved, will not decompose, ready for washing and neutralization. Thorough washing removes excess chrome chemicals, neutralizes pH levels, prepares leather surface for dye acceptance, wastewater treated removing chromium before environmental discharge per regulations. Vegetable tanning uses natural tannins from tree bark, slower traditional process taking 6 to 8 weeks, producing firm leather for belts, soles, saddlery. Vegetable tan leather develops rich brown color, firms over time, accepts tooling and embossing well, preferred for traditional leather crafts, luxury goods, premium applications requiring durability. Shaving machines precisely thin leather to customer specifications, typically 1 to 3 millimeters thickness, ensuring uniform consistency across entire hide for manufacturing applications. Properly shaved leather shows consistent thickness throughout, smooth surfaces ready for dyeing, finishing treatments, meeting precise specifications required by furniture, automotive, fashion manufacturers. Dyeing transforms blue chrome tanned leather into desired colors, drums rotating leather with penetrating dyes for 1 to 2 hours, achieving even color distribution throughout material. Technicians create custom dye formulations matching exact customer requirements, maintaining color consistency across batches and keeping detailed records. Sample matches. Recording the formula. Dyed leather checked for uniform color, proper penetration, shade accuracy. Any hides showing uneven coloring returned for additional dyeing treatment, ensuring quality standards. Fat liquoring introduces oils into leather structure, replacing natural fats lost during processing, creating softness, flexibility, preventing brittleness, ensuring leather remains supple during use for years. Experienced tanners assess leather softness by hand, checking oil distribution, flexibility, ensuring proper fat liquoring achieve desired characteristics for intended applications and customer specifications. Setting out stretches wet leather to maximum usable area, removes wrinkles, begins drying process. Mechanical frames ensuring uniform tension, preventing distortion during drying completely. Controlled drying rooms maintain 120 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, 40% humidity, gradually removing moisture over 24 to 36 hours, preventing cracking, shrinkage, and damage to leather. Staking machines mechanically flex dried leather repeatedly, breaking fiber bonds, creating softness and pliability, conditioning leather into final texture required for manufacturing applications and end uses. Buffing removes surface imperfections, creates napped nubuck texture, or prepares smooth leather for pigment finishes. Sanding depth determining final surface characteristics and appearance. Pigment finishes seal leather surface with colored polymers, providing uniform appearance, stain resistance, durability, multiple thin coats applied, building protective layer, enhancing performance characteristics significantly today. Embossing presses heated dyes into leather, creating grain patterns, textures, logos, transforming smooth leather into alligator, ostrich, or other exotic imitations for various applications.
Checking for defects and finish quality.
Color accuracy looks good.
Now for thickness consistency.
Within spec, grade A.
Finished hides measured in square feet, typical cattle hide yielding 40 to 60 square feet.
Stretching this hide to measure its area.
Measurement determining final pricing calculated per square foot based on quality. Finished leather sorted by color, thickness, quality grade, stored in climate-controlled warehouse maintaining 65 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, 50% humidity protecting quality during storage. Suede production buffs split leather, creating soft nap texture valued for clothing, shoes, accessories, different finishing process creating distinct product characteristics and applications. Patent leather receives multiple polyurethane coatings creating distinctive glossy finish, each coat dried and sanded before next application, achieving mirror-like shine for formal footwear products. Aniline leather receives transparent dye only, no pigment coating, revealing natural grain, scars, characteristics, premium leather requiring perfect hides commanding highest prices for luxury goods. Leather scraps become bonded leather, gelatin, collagen products, animal feed supplements. Efficient recycling programs utilizing waste materials creating additional revenue impacts significantly. Modern tanneries operate advanced wastewater treatment plants, removing chromium and other chemicals before discharge, meeting strict environmental regulations. Some facilities recycle 80% of water, reducing environmental footprint. Progressive tanneries invest in renewable energy, water recycling, cleaner tanning methods, achieving environmental certifications like Leather Working Group standards, demonstrating commitment to sustainable operations. Furniture manufacturers purchase leather in full hides or pre-cut panels, upholstering sofas, chairs, creating premium furnishings, leather's durability, appearance, comfort justifying higher pricing significantly. Automotive industry consumes millions of square feet annually, leather interior trim indicating luxury vehicles, requiring leather meeting strict specifications for durability, color fastness, safety standards. Fashion industry values leather for durability, appearance, luxury appeal, designers creating jackets, bags, shoes, accessories, premium products commanding prices reflecting leather quality and craftsmanship. Artisan leather workers create handcrafted goods, traditional techniques producing superior quality, each piece unique, premium pricing reflecting skilled labor, material costs, and craftsmanship involved. Footwear industry remains major leather consumer. Boots, shoes requiring leather combining flexibility, durability, breathability, various thicknesses used for soles, uppers, linings serving different functions. Sports equipment manufacturers value leather durability, grip, breaking in characteristics, baseball gloves, footballs, requiring specific leather types, tanning methods, ensuring consistent performance during athletic competition. Industrial leather applications include machinery belts, gaskets, washers, buffing wheels. Leather's durability, flexibility, heat resistance make it valuable for specialized mechanical applications requiring performance. From furniture to fashion, industrial components to luxury goods, leather's unique combination of durability, beauty, versatility, ensuring continued demand despite synthetic alternatives available in marketplace. Global leather industry processes 400 million cattle hides annually, generating $100 billion revenue, employing millions worldwide, sustainable byproduct utilization supporting meat and dairy industries economically. From ranch to retail, leather production transforms agricultural byproduct into valuable material serving countless applications, sustainable industry utilizing resources efficiently, supporting global economies continuously.